Hi everyone, I'm Avantika and I'm going to be showing you how to make a super easy mushroom on toast today. It's something I personally love eating at any time of the day. You can eat it as a wholesome breakfast with a nice poached egg on top, for lunch, for dinner, or even as a quick evening snack. So let's get started with our recipe.
We have 200 grams of mushrooms. We have 2 slices of bread, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of onion, 3 to 4 garlic cloves finely chopped parsley, 1/4 cup of grated cheese. I've used Parmesan, you can use any cheese you like, and salt to taste. So you butter the bread well, and I usually like to heat the bread in the same pan that we've cooked it in because it just gets that nice mushroom smoky flavor.